This is Keychron's latest Hall effect keyboard. This keyboard promises to take both gamers and professionals to the next level with magnetic switches and a clean design. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about its design. This keyboard has an aluminum frame and comes in two styles, standard version and special edition. This is the white version and it's my personal favorite. It has this wooden accented sides that give it a super unique and premium look that would look great on any desk setup. Bonus points if your desk is also made of wood. First of all, its design is super minimalistic and clean, which I think is really refreshing. Now it has a 75% compact layout, which gives you all the essential keys while still being super compact on your desk. And in general, its build quality is nice, sturdy, and surprisingly lightweight, which I love about this keyboard as well. Now, let's talk about its features and specifications. I think where this keyboard really shines is, of course, its magnetic switches. You know how in most keyboards you have to press the key until a certain point for it to register? Now, with this keyboard, you get to choose where you want that point to be. You can customize the actuation points with 0.1mm precision, which is super helpful in games where, for example, you need super fast reaction times, right? So you would set a shallow actuation depth and the key would almost instantly trigger as soon as you touch it. On the other hand, a deeper actuation point can be super helpful to prevent accidental presses. So you'd have to press a little deeper for the key to register. Plus, with a polling rate of 1000 Hz and dynamic rapid triggering, key presses are registered and deregistered almost instantly. But you know what's even cooler? Analog mode. In analog mode, your keyboard becomes like a controller, where the depth of your key press is now pressure sensitive and determines how fast your object moves or what action it performs. Kind of like the L2 and R2 triggers on your controllers. That's great for sports games and racing games where nuanced precision really matters. All settings can be configured in Keychron's online web configurator, which is super convenient because you don't need to install any software. As a full-time copywriter and part-time gamer who's been using this keyboard for quite some time now, I can say with confidence that the typing experience is truly impressive. The keys feel responsive with just the right amount of resistance, and its magnetic switches produce an amazingly satisfying, thocky and creamy sound. Let's do a quick 5-second sound test so you can hear it for yourself. And look at that beautiful north-facing RGB backlighting. Just look at it. So, is it worth it? Well, if you're looking for a keyboard that offers extreme levels of customization, a clean design, and top-notch performance, then you should definitely give this one a try. It's live now on Kickstarter, so head over and grab yours today.